Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So dear children, in class 4 we are going to start a new chapter in mathematics. The name of this chapter is A Trip to Bhopal. Dear children, I have taken this chapter from your Maths Magic book. Now in the previous class children, you have learnt about the 3-digit numbers. You are familiar with reading and writing of 3-digit numbers, but in this class you will learn about 4-digit numbers. You will learn about the number name of 4-digit numbers also, but let's start with the introduction of 4-digit number. So children, you know which is the smallest 3-digit number. Do you remember? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Now children, do you remember which is the largest 3-digit number? It is 999. It is 999. So children, first of all we are writing here the largest 3-digit number is 999. It's a 3-digit number. 9 is written at ones place, 9 is written at tens place, and 9 is written at hundreds place. Now children, you know it very well. A 3-digit number has 3 places. Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Now children, what will happen if you will add 1 to this number? Now we are adding 1 to this number. So when you will add 1 to this number, then 9 plus 1 will become 10. From this 10 we will write 0 here. This 1 is carry. Now 9 plus 1 is again 10. From this 10 we will write 0 here, and 1 is again carry over. Now 9 plus 1 is again 10. Now children, look at this number. This number has 4 digits. This is first digit, this is second digit, this is third digit, and this is fourth digit. So this is our first 4-digit number. Now children, we represent it as shown below. Now we are going to represent this number here. Now this 0 will be written at ones place. This 0 will be written at tens place. This 0 will be written at hundreds place, and this 1 will be written at thousands place. Thus a 4-digit number begins with a thousands place. A 4-digit number has 4 places children. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So we know the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. We read this number as 1000 children. Now children, you know every number has a number name. So this number is also having a number name, and the number name of this number is 1000. Now children, you will learn about the number name of 4-digit number. Now children, look at our first question. Write the number name of following numbers. Here children, you will see some numbers are given to you and we want to write their number names. So look at our first number children. Our first number is consist of 4 digits. 2 is written at ones place, 7 is written at tens place, 6 is written at hundreds place, and 5 is written at thousands place. Now children, while reading and writing the large numbers, we divide the number into groups for our convenience, and each group is called as period. So the first group is consist of ones, tens, and hundreds, and it is called as ones period. And the second group is consist of thousands and 10,000 places, and we call it as thousands period. And while reading the number, all the 3 digits or all the digits of the same group, they will be read together. So children, while writing the number name, first of all we will divide this number into groups. The digits which are at ones, tens, and hundreds place, they will come in first group, and this digit which is written at thousands place, it will come under second group. Now we will write the number name of this number children. Since 5 is written at thousands place, so we will write it here 5000. Now all the three digits, they will be read together because they are coming in ones period. So we will read these three digits as 672. 672. So the number name of this number is, children, 5672. Now look at our second number. Again it is consist of 4 digits. So before writing the number name, we will divide this number into groups. So digits which are written at ones, tens and hundreds place, they will come in ones group, and the digit which is written at the thousands place, it will come under the second group. Now all the digits of the same group, they will be read together. So first we will start the number name of this number. We will read this as 1000 because 1 is written at thousands place. 1000. Now digits from the second group, they will be written. Now all the three digits will be read together. So we will read these three digits as 480. 480. So the number name of this number is, children, 1480. Now children, look at our third number. Our third number is consist of 4 digits. Now we will divide this number into groups. So the digits which are written at ones place, tens place and hundreds place, they will come under first group, and this digit, it comes under the second group. Now we will write the number name of this number, children. So first of all we will write here 4000 because 4 is written at thousands place. 4000. Now these three digits, they will be read together. So we will write, or we will read them as 29. We will not write here 000 because 0 is written at hundreds place. So these three digits, they will be read as 29. So we will write here 29. So the number name of this number is 4029. Now children, look at our fourth number. Again it is consist of 4 digits. Now first of all we will divide this number into groups. So these three digits, they will come under first group, and this digit will come under second group. Now we will start writing the number name of this number. So first of all we will begin from here. We will write here 6000 because 6 is at thousands place. 6005. Now these three digits, they will be read together. So together when you will read it, this is 5. 6005. Now children, in this number, 0 is at hundreds place, 0 is at tens place. So no need to write here 0 hundreds, 0 tens. So the number name of this number is 6005. Now look at our last number, children. In this number, again it is a 4-digit number. It has 4 digits. So while writing the number name or before reading it, we will divide this number into groups. So first group is consist of these 3 digits. Digit at ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In the second group, this digit will come. Now we will write the number name of this number, children. So we will start from here. Since 3 is written at thousands place, so we will write here 3000. Now in this group, children, these 3 numbers, these 3 digits, they will be read together, and together we will read them as 320. 300. So the number name of this number is, children, 3320. With this, children, I hope you have understood the number name of 4-digit numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.